guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all 10 products under rupees 500 which I recently found on Amazon. Makeup products basically. So yeah, if you want to see which those products are, then please continue watching. Okay, so the first product that I found was the Swiss Beauty liners lip liner का set, and ये ऐसा एक this kind of a क्या बोलते हैं मेटल केस में आता है, and इसके अंदर you get 12 different lip liners and this cost me only rupees 419. So yeah, this is how the lip liner का set looks like, and like you can see they have included like बहुत सारे different shades of lip liners. देखिए, so there's a red, there's pink, there's brown tone, nude colors सारे included है इसमें. तो just in case, even if you are someone who likes applying a lip liner before applying your lipstick, yeah, if you basically like lining your lips, then I think this kit is a good investment, because in 419 rupees you get 12 different shades, which is really nice. Also when it comes to the quality, like it comes with this kind of a cap, काफ़ी sturdy cap है, ऐसा नहीं कि easily निकल जाए. It's a nice sturdy cap which I like, and yeah, okay, this is how it looks like. You have to definitely sharpen it, but yeah, let me just swatch it for you. Yeah, so but इसका pigmentation भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, मुझे अच्छा लगा. It's not extremely creamy कि वो टूट जाए, but it's not even like very dry. Okay, it's somewhere in between, so it's going to give you a nice like work time मिलेगा उसको. मतलब एकदम creamy lip liners क्या होता है ना, बहुत जल्दी से थोड़ा सा smudge भी हो जाते हैं around your lips. तो I don't like extremely creamy lip liners, but at the same time it shouldn't be like very drying कि आप घिसते ही रहो lips पे. तो वैसा नहीं है. It's going to give you a nice pigmentation with 1-2 gentle swipes. So yeah, I really like the quality of these lip liners, and these are the swatches of the lip liners. So these are the 12 different shades that you would find in this set. So yeah, I really liked this set because एक ही बार invest करना पड़ेगा आपको, and you'll get like so many different shades of lip liners. So I think it's definitely worth the investment. Like 419 for 12 lip liners, it's a great deal I feel. And plus you also get this kind of storage case metal का, so I think it's nice. अच्छा लगा मुझे ये. So this is the first product. The second product that I found was this Nykaa के contour duo. Now the original price for this one is 450 rupees, but on Amazon I found this even more cheaper. So this is basically a contour duo, like you can see, and the shade is ND 009, and this is how the powder looks like. Okay, so you get one थोड़ा सा darker brown shade and थोड़ा सा एक हल्का shade है इसमें. So basically this is like a contour powder, and इसका pigmentation is also really nice. See, so this is the lighter brown and this is the darker brown, and ये जो particular contour shade है, I feel will suit a variety of skin tones, even if you are light या medium, या तो मेरे से भी हल्का सा आप डस्की हो तो भी ये जो डार्कर वाला है, it will work beautifully as a contour powder. I am an NC 43 in MAC, so even if you are like NC 44 45 तक भी अगर आप हो, so this contour powder will look great on you I feel, and it's nice, it's sleek, it's compact. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's very sleek, like you can see, छोटू सा है, and I feel this again is of a great quality. Nykaa के products are really nice, and to find a contour powder in below 500 I feel was definitely worth a try, and I'm also wearing it right now over here. I feel it's a great contour powder. So yeah, this was the second product. Third product that I found was from Mars, and this is basically an eyeshadow palette which also has 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. So वो मुझे थोड़ा सा interesting लगा, and this one was only for rupees 299. Can you believe? Even I'm shocked at this price. So this is how the product looks like. इस तरीके से ये open होता है. So you get about 12 different shades. इसमें एक issue है that there is only 2 matte shades. Okay, ये भी मैट है बट वाइट बेसिकली उतना यूज़ नहीं होता है. सो देर आर ओनली 2 मैट शेड्स एंड द रेस्ट आर ऑल shimmer shades, but the pigmentation is really nice. So I'm just going to swatch some for you. See, इस तरीके का इसका पिगमेंटेशन है. मैं थोड़ा सा इसको यहाँ पे स्वॉच कर लेती हूँ. So the pigmentation is decent enough, I would say. तो yeah, if you are into like shimmer shades, थोड़ा सा if you like using, then I think this is a good enough palette. And when you open this, इसमें है ना ऐसे ये आता है layer, and you also get a mirror like you can see here. And these are the 2 blush shades and the 2 highlighter shades that they have given. So and इसके साथ एक brush भी था. कहाँ गया वो brush? Okay, I think I have misplaced the brush. It was here only somewhere. But इसके साथ एक brush भी आता है, applicator brush. That's okay, उतना कुछ खास नहीं है. But ये दो you know blush shades भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे लगे. See, it's nice and pigmented. And highlighter में भी you get 2 highlighters. One is more like a pink toned one and one is like a goldeny. So let me just swatch it for you. So it's a decent highlighter, not like extremely like blingy, but decent enough. So I feel this kind of a eyeshadow palette which has a like a 2 blushes and 2 highlighters works great even if you are traveling. मतलब एक ही छोटा सा compact case में you get all like you get the eyeshadow, you get blush as well as the highlighter. So I feel this kind of a kit is nice even if you are a beginner. काफ़ी अच्छा है. Also this was only for $2.99, so you know great deal I feel. And yeah, this is the next product. The next product is again by Mars, and this is a highlighter which I was eyeing since a long time. This is how the beautiful highlighter looks like. इसका जो pattern दिया हुआ है ना, it's so gorgeous, so pretty. ये जो मैंने shade लिया है, this is gold shade मैंने लिया है. इसमें I think there is 3-4 shades और अलग भी आता है. But can we just see how beautiful, and it's so soft and so buttery. मतलब इसका quality मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. Beautiful shade. अरे I forgot to wear highlighter today surprisingly, but yeah, this is what it looks like. बहुत beautiful लगा. This was only for ₹249, slightly expensive as compared to like, and this was only for ₹249. And मुझे इसका you know the butteriness of this highlighter is beautiful. See, so soft and so buttery. You can use this as a eyeshadow also. eyeshadow करके भी बहुत beautiful लगेगा. Really loved this one. So yeah, this was the next product. I think you should definitely check out इसके shades. So yeah, this was the next one. Next product is again a highlighter by Mars. But ये highlighter मैंने इसीलिए you know I was interested in you know buying this and seeing how it is, because this resembled a lot with the ColourPop highlighters. Like if you have used ColourPop highlighters, you would know कि उसका जो texture होता है ना काफ़ी क्रीमी सॉफ्ट ऐसे बाउंसी टाइप का टेक्सचर था. एंड ये एग्जैक्टली उसके जैसा ही पैकेजिंग बोल लो, एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी सिमिलर जब मैंने देखा था. सो आई वॉज रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन ट्राइंग आउट. एंड इसका भी टेक्सचर लाइक यू कैन सी इट्स क्रीमी एंड थोड़ा सा वेट फील आता है. सो ये शेड मैंने जो लिया है 04 Strong, एंड दिस इज this one. Okay, this is a shade and it's again very soft, very थोड़ा सा ऐसा वो क्रीमी हाइलाइटर बोल सकते हो आप. एकदम लाइक ColourPop के जैसा नहीं है, वेरी स्पॉन्जी टाइप नहीं है, बट द क्वालिटी इज़ रियली नाइस. जैसे आप देख सकते हो इधर स्वॉच मैंने किया हुआ है. सो इफ़ यू आर लाइक मीडियम स्किन टोन तो ये शेड अच्छा रहेगा. बट अगेन इसमें काफ़ी सारे अलग शेड्स भी आते हैं, तो अगर आप थोड़े फेयर हो देन यू कैन गो फॉर अ लाइटर शेड देन दिस. बट ओवरऑल आई रियली थिंक दिस इज़ मतलब वो लोग ने ये इसको ColourPop का ड्यूप आई थिंक बनाने की कोशिश की है. इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रेट लाइक द ColourPop आई वुड से, बट इट्स डिसेंट इनफ. लाइक फॉर द प्राइस, इसका प्राइस था 149, विच आई थिंक 150 में इस तरीके का क्रीम हाइलाइटर इज़ quite a good attempt by Mars. So yeah, this was the next product. The next product is a makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so it contains aloe vera with vitamin E, and इसका price है ₹202, which is so affordable. And Swiss Beauty products in generally I am really loving. Swiss Beauty, Mars, ये जो दो ब्रांड है बहुत ही अंडररेटेड ब्रांड है आई फील, एंड इनके प्रोडक्ट्स एक्चुअली are very affordable at the same time good quality. So yeah, this is how the spray होता है. बहुत finely एक मिस्ट जैसा स्प्रे होता है which I really liked. So I think if you are a beginner, अगर आपको ज़्यादा high end या expensive makeup setting spray में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है, then this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer is a good buy, I would say. And also because it contains aloe vera with vitamin E, I think it's going to work really well at setting your makeup as well as hydrating your skin as well at the same time. So yeah, this was the next product. So those were all the base products and stuff like that. Now I found a lot of lipsticks which I'm so excited to try. तो लिपस्टिक में जो मैं पहला आपके साथ शेयर करना चाह रही हूँ, that is by Swiss Beauty, and this is how it looks like. This is the Swiss Beauty matte liquid lipstick, color stay ultra smooth. Okay, काफ़ी बड़ा नाम है. And the shade that I got is 15 deep red, and this is the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips, and I really like this lipstick. It's very comfortable to wear. It's not at all drying. मतलब बिल्कुल भी मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि I'm wearing something very like a liquid lipstick ऐसा मैं वेयर कर रही हूँ, बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर, एंड द प्राइस फॉर दिस वन इज ओनली ₹224. एंड कंसिडरिंग द प्राइस आई फील दीज आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल. मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी ड्राइंग नहीं लगते हैं मुझे. एंड ऑल्सो इसका पिगमेंटेशन काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे. सी आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्वॉच इट फॉर यू. सी दिस इज़ लाइक वन स्ट्रोक पिगमेंटेशन, एंड पिगमेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा है. तो इवन इफ यू हैव लाइक वेरी पिगमेंटेड लिप्स, तो भी इन वन स्वाइप इट्स गोइंग टू कवर ऑल दैट पिगमेंटेशन. तो ये तो मैंने बस एक ही ट्राई करने के लिए लिया, बट आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू ट्राई आउट मोर ऑफ दीज lipsticks and definitely do a more like a dedicated review and swatch video. But yeah, this particular shade 15 deep red is what I'm currently wearing on my lips, and I really like this shade a lot. The next are a set of lipsticks. Okay, so one of you recommended that I try out these lipsticks karke, I bought so many of them. So these are the Mars lip crayon, and this is what it looks like. Everything is packed currently because I have just received it, and I'm also, again, like I mentioned, going to do a review as well as dedicated swatch video of these lipsticks, but I'm just sharing it in this video. So these are priced at ₹199 only, and like on Amazon you will always find it even more cheaper. So I got about 6 shades in these lipsticks. I'm yet to try these out, but जितना भी मैंने रिव्यूज़ वगैरह देखे हैं ऑफ अदर ब्लॉगर्स, दे रियली लव दीज लिपस्टिक्स बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी क्रीमी, वेरी पिगमेंटेड एंड वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दीज शेड्स out. So yeah, this was the next product. The next set of lipsticks are by Swiss Beauty, and these are the non-transfer waterproof lipstick, and this is priced at ₹224. okay, and इसमें जो मैंने shades लिए are Lust On, Bronze, Smoked and Cupid Pink. ओके, सो अगेन मैंने इसको अभी तक खोला नहीं है. लाइक आई मेंशन, मुझे इसका अलग से रिव्यू वीडियो करना है. बट या बेसिकली आई रियली लाइक द पैकेजिंग ऑफ दिस वन. बहुत ही स्लीक है, अच्छा लगा मुझे इसका पैकेजिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड प्राइस वाइज ऑल्सो इट्स आई थिंक डिसेंट इनफ. अगेन इसका जो मैंने रिव्यूज़ देखे हैं, काफ़ी सारे लोग ने बोला है बहुत अच्छा pigmented lipsticks है. So I'm really excited to try these out as well. And the last product is again a lipstick by NY Base. So ये जो particular है, मुझे एक सब्सक्राइबर ने स्पेसिफिकली बोला था कि प्लीज़ ट्राई आउट दिस शेड करके मैंने ये ख़रीदा. So this is their Confessions of a Lipaholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade that she requested me was Snuggle Secrets number 15. So this is what the shade looks like. It looks so pretty, like a very beautiful nude it looks like. And I like the fact that it comes in like a see-through packaging, तो अच्छा हो जाता है. And this is the shade. Wow, such a beautiful shade. मतलब ये पहली बार मैं swatch कर रही हूँ. I've not really tried out, but I'm so excited to try out this shade, Snuggle Secrets. Okay, beautiful nude. I think this nude shade would suit a variety of skin tones, especially if you are medium skin tone like me. I think this is really going to look pretty. So yeah, this was the last product and I'm so excited to try out this shade. So thank you for recommending. और भी guys, अगर आपके ऐसे कुछ recommendations होते हैं ना तो please do mention in the description box में, या तो मुझे DM करो या तो mention करो, so that you know I can try out these shades or products and I can share their reviews with you. तो मुझे if I get your feedback ना, I feel good because that would मुझे पता चलता कि आपको क्या देखना पसंद है इस चैनल पे. तो यू नो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट बिलो आपको क्या देखना है. कोई पर्टिकुलर ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है विच यू हैव बीन सीइंग एंड जिसका आपको रिव्यू चाहिए, प्लीज़ डू मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. तो यू नो इफ़ पॉसिबल आई विल ट्राई एंड शेयर माई रिव्यू विद यू गाइज. So yeah, those were the 10 products which I recently found on Amazon. Some were your recommendations, so इसके dedicated videos भी मैं करने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्द. So please stay tuned to my channel. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया. अगर आपको पसंद आए then please do give it a thumbs up and also please do subscribe to my channel if you're watching me for the first time, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.